I promise you in this one we will get in at least 2 stores for our haul slash unbagging videos. As I mentioned in one of the previous videos, I am in rare form tonight because we're talking that one's down, that one's down, and this one is going quickly. So, I'm not exactly sure what the hell I'm going to say, how I'm going to say it, or when I'm going to say it. So, I'm giving you plenty of warning. But we are seeing the results of my shopping addiction nearly rivaling that of my apparent alcohol addiction, as I'm observing tonight as I'm recording these videos. At least I'm a cheap drunk. So, our first stop is Aldi's. Yeah, I know, not really where I think of for Christmas decor, and not really the style I would pick up. But I went because I needed milk and bread, and saw that this was on clearance. I think I paid, it was like $3 something for it on clearance. And I thought, oh, well, I can figure out something to do with it. Some people may absolutely love this coloring and this type of item. It's just not really my style, but it's kind of cute. It's in the light blue, the green, and silver, just a typical standard ornament wreath. Hey, one store down. Our next stop in our journey is Dollar General. Sister to Dollar Tree with half the crap. I don't know. At least around here, the Dollar Trees tend to be pretty sad when it comes to their holiday sections, but I did find a few little gems. So, I found this cute little oven mitt. It was 50% off. So cut your own Christmas tree farm and the matching pot holder. Again with the red truck motif. So yeah, red trucks, all the rage. Gonna have to get one. Then I found this lovely little gem. Our countdown to Christmas. It goes up to apparently, I think it looks like 29. But it's this little red truck. I think this was like $2.50. They had a few left. I didn't think I had need for more than one, so I just grabbed the one. Thought it was kind of cute, unusual, not something I'd seen before. And along the same motif, salt and pepper shakers. I know I saw several people with these early on in the season. On the back, the license plate is ho ho ho. And then you have the truck and the tree, which is separate. Again, on clearance, 50% off, so it was only $1. So definitely a little cute little knick-knack to have around. Let's see. More buffalo. More buffalo check. This little ribbon, 9 feet. It was $1, so 50 cents for 9 feet of it. I was okay with it. It's wireless, I believe. I don't really feel a wire in there, even though it looks like it should have one. But it's a nice, small buffalo check, so there's lots of things, packages, wreaths, you name it, we can do with it. Yeah, I don't know. Star ornaments. 50 cents a piece. Not something I would put on any of my trees. Not in their current state. When I got them, I remembered seeing a pen or a video at some point where someone took something similar and wrapped it in jute to make kind of a more rustic star look. And so that was what I was thinking when I was getting these. I was like, oh, I can wrap them in something or paint them in something and maybe do something with them that way. And for 50 cents, worst case scenario, doesn't work out, it's 50 cents down the drain, or $1 in this case. But I thought I could figure out something maybe. Kind of straightforward, a wreath hanger. I think these are somewhat underrated, both at Dollar General or at Dollar Tree. These actually are pretty good. They've got some flex to them. You can bend them. You can cut them very easily. So, for example, what I was thinking, because you'll see more of these in other unbaggings, was that these would be good for DIY, I'm blanking, DIY stocking hangers. And just take these, snip it off and then bend it back to shorten it down, and then attach it, and actually you could bend other pieces and maybe make two out of it, or do other things with it. But that was what was going through my mind, and why I bought several of them. Plus, you know, you can never have enough wreath hangers. You never know when you might need one. This, it's just a little ornament with a Santa hat that says believe, and has snow inside. Why did I buy this? It was $1 originally, 50% off, so 50 cents. I bought this because I thought it could be a cute idea for a DIY ornament with some variation on it. But I bought it to remember 11 months from now what I was thinking when I saw it. Because the wording combined with the little mini hat and the snow is kind of cute. And maybe doing, you know, I don't know, I've seen mini snow globes in these before, but that was kind of the direction I was thinking when I saw it. Just, you know, kind of a random thing. Snowman blanks. I love blanks. Anything I can get blank, I will probably grab at it, because it lets me do what I want to with it. And these are actually good. These are true wood. It's plywood, versus, you know, particle board or just some sort of wafer board. So these actually, you know, they're $1 a piece, 50% off. But it's definitely something that I can use. Not happy about the stickers because stickers are a bit hard to get off, but I'll get them off. But I thought, hey, I can do something with these next year. It would be a totally cute little snowman, paint them up, or even just do them in a solid color as a silhouette, in relief on a sign so that it gives some added dimension. Any number of things that I could use those for. And basically I bought what they had left, which was only those two. This is not Christmas per se, but I was looking for letters for a project I have in mind, and happened to find them at Dollar General. Started to say Dollar Tree, wrong store. Good Lord, you don't want to see that unboxing yet. Strangely enough, got in a fight with the clerk because the price listed at I was looking to see if there's a price on the back. The price listed on the tag was 75 cents, so on the tag at them. When they rang them up, they rang up as $1 a piece, so I had to kind of fight with her and ended up having to walk her to where they were to show her, yes, in fact, it did say 75 cents and not $1 to save my buck, because these were not on sale. Not a big deal, really, in the scheme of things. Just, it's a pet peeve when prices don't ring up the way they're supposed to. Next, I thought this was absolutely adorable, and I guess I could open it. It's one of those little bags, not bags, drawers, I guess you'd call it, that you use for those collapsible storage containers and things, little folding. And this one is actually really sturdy, much more sturdy than the ones you find at the Dollar Tree. It was originally $4, so on sale it took it down to $2, 50% off. It's the only one they had, or else I would have bought more, but it's a cute buffalo check pattern, so definitely something I can pull out and use next year, probably even use it throughout the year or any other time, throughout the rest of the winter at least. It is not something, the fabric on it, or not really, I would not call this fabric. It is the material that those cheap shopping bags are made of, the cheap, aka reusable, that end up breaking after like one trip. That's what it feels like. So I couldn't do any iron on or anything like that on it. I might be able to put a regular vinyl on it, but I'm afraid if you tried to do any kind of heat treatment or any kind of heat to it, that it's just going to melt that. So I would say if you do happen to find these, I would stick to doing, if you want to do anything on it, to like label it like for your kids' games or whatever you happen to be thinking of for its use, that you try to stick with a regular vinyl, or maybe even painting on with stencils, or something of that nature. But that's what I was thinking when I saw it. Well, this is not going back in the bag. Maybe it will. It sort of does. Okay, it's halfway in. I split it down the side, but it's in. The last thing is some signs. They're $1 a piece or 50 cents on sale. So why do I need 4 of these and 2 of these? I don't. In fact, to be quite honest, this one's sort of okay. This one I'm not really feeling. I like the background. They tried to make it look like galvanized steel, but really it's just that particle board. Why did I buy these? So anytime I catch a good sale at Dollar Tree or Dollar General or wherever where I can get these for 50 cents, I tend to buy them. Because it's easy enough to just take a little sanding block, and that glitter's gone in a heartbeat, at which point I have a blank. I can paint, that I can do whatever I want to with it. Or if I really feel the need to keep one that says Heaven and Nature Sing with a snowman, because you know that's what I associate with that particular song lyric. If I really feel the strong need for it, sure, I got it. It's perfect, great. But if I'm not feeling it, as I am right now, then I can just easily sand it, paint it, and I'm good to go with whatever I want to do. And being in this oval shape, it's different than any of the ones that I saw at our Dollar Tree, which put it in kind of a unique category, and makes it a little bit more unusual than what you typically see in the square or the rectangular signs. So it gives it a little more character. That's why I bought pretty much every one they had. So that is my Aldi and Dollar General unboxing haul. Yeah. Let's see how long we've been going. I may stick a third in here. Now we're at 15 minutes, so I'm going to call it quits on this one. And we'll do another one here in a minute of some of the other stores. but we're making progress. Yeah, thanks for sticking with me. If you enjoyed this video, definitely hit subscribe. Leave a comment if you've got thoughts on any of the stuff you saw and what maybe you would do with it, what you were inspired by some of the things, or if you want to know what else I saw that I didn't get or any of those things, just drop me a note. Happy to respond. All right, thanks. Talk to you later.